Camarines Norte Police Provincial Office continues its commitment to good governance and community engagement through the election and oath-taking of the Provincial Advisory Group for the Police Transformation and Development. The event held on January 25, 2024, 2 p.m. at Giselle's Garden and Tourist Inn that Camarines Norte gathered incumbent and new PAGPTD members. Presided over by Police Colonel Joselito E. Villarosa Jr., Provincial Director, the activity marked an important milestone in the CNPPO's effort to enhance its community engagement. The event began with an invocation followed by welcome remarks made by Police Lieutenant Colonel Julius E. Bernadas, Chairman of Department of Provincial Director for Admin Technical Working Group, and the introduction of incumbent and new PAGPT members by Police Lieutenant Colonel Charles N. De Leon, Chief PPSMU or Provincial Police Strategy Management Unit. During the oath-taking ceremony, the Provincial Director administered the oath to the members. Dr. Rosalie A. Almadranas, Mr. Jefferson T. Deser, Certified Public Accountant, Engineer Efren U. Sale, Ms. Mary Ann B. Bala, Mr. Dodet B. Consuelo, Mr. Renato P. Samarista, Mr. Carlos William A. Minas, Ms. Dina G. David, Mr. Dennis L. Ariel, Retired Police Major Flor E. Mirasol, Registered Social Worker, Retired Police Brigadier General Efren O. Yabra, Mrs. Francia Pavia, Mrs. Cynthia De La Cruz, represented by Mr. Augusto Perpetua, Ms. Catrice Ann Tenorio Calyon, and Mr. Don Eduardo Espadilla, represented by Mr. Jarvi Ilagan. Afterwards, the presentation of summary of PAGPTD accomplishments from 2014 to 2023 was presented by Police Staff Sergeant Cherry A. Abad, SCAPNCO, or Police Non-Commissioned Officer, which was followed by the brief explanation of the PAGPTD terms of reference presented by Police Staff Sergeant Joema Joy D. Rimando, Action PNCO PPSMU. The election took place and resulted in the following new set of officers: Chairperson, Retired Police General Efren O. Yabra; Vice Chairperson, Internal, Mr. Jefferson D. Deser; Vice Chairperson, External, Engineer Efren U. Sale; Secretary, Retired Police Major Flor E. Mirasol; Treasurer, Ms. Dina G. David; Auditor, Mr. Dennis L. Riel. In his closing message, Police Colonel Joselito E. Villarosa Jr. congratulated and welcomed all the PAGPTD members. He expressed gratitude to their unwavering support, which contributes to the successful performance of the PNP's mandate in the long-term transformation program, much more to their dedication to the organization's transformation and development journey. The PNP remains steadfast in its commitment to strengthening community engagement and pursuing its goals of good governance and police transformation and development. Para sa totoo, balitang banwaan, Rona Vega, MBTV News.